Hello my hairstyles lovers, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hello, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. But today we're gonna make a review on Moerie hair products. I tested these products for 30 days and now my verdict is ready. Even these products were gifted. That's my honest opinion on them, so take this into account. Also guys, don't forget that I'm a hair artist and when talking about hair products, I know what I'm speaking about. First of all, for the review, I got this branded box. It's nice and beautiful, but came a little bit wrinkled because of my post, I think, but everything inside was just amazing. So for the review, I got here 2 shampoos, 250 milliliters each. These are the same like shampoos. 1 conditioner of 250 milliliters, a small tiny mask of 100 milliliters, and the bomb of this review hair growth spray. So first of all, all these products are paraben, fragrance, cruelty, silicone, SLS and GMO free, all of them. So take this into account, so I'll not repeat it every time I take out the product that I want to speak about. And one more thing to mention, don't forget to use my discount code at checkout for 20% off. That is ZIN10. I leave it in my info bar as well and the link where you can get the products. Let's talk about the products now. All the set came in this box. Also, each product was packed in branded box as well. This is the packaging. It's a matte box, very pleasant to the touch. I love it how it's made. It's very luxury and kind of girly packed. Let me share these foamy things. I love it. I don't know about you. I love all these girly things. I think everybody likes that. Also, all products were packed in these kind of boxes, excepting hairspray. It was without anything. Guys, I saw a lot of YouTubers are saying that it smells somehow orangey, but I'll say that's not a orange smell. That's more like tangerine or clementine smell, if you know what I mean, but in a very natural manner. It's like a very yummy smell, like a clementine candy, something like that. It's very natural, excepting hairspray. Hairspray is smelling very herbal like, but in a very pleasant way. So let's begin first with our Moerie shampoo. This set contains 2 shampoos, like I said, 250 milliliters each, but as you can see, I used only one of them and one is untouched because I don't wash my hair too often. So I wash my hair about 2-3 times a week, that's max, not more than that. So how you use it, you can see how much I use here. It is more than half of it, and that's 30 days using this shampoo. What I can say about it, you apply it like a regular shampoo, I'd say. You massage it for 3-4 minutes, like preferably to leave it for 3-4 minutes onto your scalp. Also, I would recommend you to not use it to the length of your hair, especially if you are a dry hair girl, curly, or if you have bleached hair. Overall, if your hair is dry, because afterwards you cannot just brush your hair. It leaves your hair a little bit rough, but very clean. If you know what I'm talking about, I would call it more like a deep cleansing or purifying or peeling shampoo. Also, it reminds me a lot of chelating hair. If you know what is that, if not, I'll tell you in few words. Chelating is the process of removing build up oils and everything you put into your hair, products, and basically everyday dirt that gets into your hair. This is the process basically used before bleaching or coloring your hair, so you'll get more vibrant color afterwards. Also, sometimes you use a shampoo at the very first time, second time it works wonders, but after a month, you feel like this product doesn't do anything to you. So basically, when chelating your hair and using again the same shampoo or the same product that you used before, it's like giving another life to this product. And this process is basically used because our shampoos are mild and cannot get out the dirt and everything that a shampoo have to wash out. And chelating is basically the process that does this. So, talking too much about chelating actually, but I want you to understand what means this shampoo to me. It like strips out everything, that every dirt, I'll say so. After this shampoo or chelating, it means that you need to use the best mask you have at home or conditioner that is very hydrating to your hair. Now we are moving on to our conditioner. You have to use it like every day. Conditioner, you towel dry your hair. Guys, with all conditioners you use and mask, I'll suggest you first to towel dry your hair before putting anything into your hair. Otherwise your products will go into the sink and you'll not understand how it works. So basically, towel dry your hair, apply it, and run your fingers through the hair and the product as well, and leave it in for 3 minutes or maybe more. I basically love to use it and leave it for more than 5 minutes, and it leaves your hair so silky soft. I loved it. But as I said many times, it's a really challenge to any products to make my hair silky smooth, and never use any more products. So even though it leaves my hair silky smooth after getting out from the shower, I need my leave-in products, my sprays, my smoothing products or oils to make my hair at least looking like you see here. So I used now more products. Also, one more thing, I want to say that the conditioner is thick as well. Better to show than to talk, right? You see, it's like a creamy. It's like a creamy consistency. Tangerine smell. And now, tangerine smell or clementine smell of hair mask. I used half of it. But take into account, guys, I don't wash my hair every day. As I said before, I wash it 2, max 3 times a week. I didn't use so much of it. You have to apply it like usually with a usual mask. You apply it after shampooing and rinsing your hair, towel dry your hair, and then you apply the product to the mid-length and leave it for 5 minutes or more. And the thing, and how I like more to use it, applying, running my fingers through, make a high bun with this product on, and taking a damp towel and put it into the microwave for 10-15 seconds, and then apply this warm towel onto my hair and leave it until it cools down, and then again take it out and put it into the microwave and repeat these steps. I repeat it about 2-3 times, 4 maybe, and I feel like my hair soaks just all this mask. So when rinsing out, it's like I don't have what to rinse. Maybe because my hair is very dry, I don't know. But it leaves my hair silky smooth and is thicker consistency, basically, even than the conditioner is. You see, it's not falling, it's remaining the same. It's like a clay consistency. The smell of tangerine as well. The smell is so natural. I just love the smell of natural products. It's like you want to eat it. Very yummy smelling. But guys, I'll say so. Even though I need more hydration to my hair, that's only my preference, because my hair is very dry, you can see from the video, and now because it's bleached and because it's wavy. But if you have natural hair, guys, or just color, if you have natural hair, you will definitely love this stuff. It will not weigh down your hair, especially for those with more like oily hair, and for those girls that have to wash their hair every day. This stuff is definitely for you, especially shampoo. It will just wash out all the dirt, and trust me, you can go 1 or 2 days more between washes. But as for me, that's not enough hydration. As for the conditioner and for the mask as well, I need leave-in products. What I would suggest, if Moerie would like to make a wider range of products, I'll suggest them to make some leave-in products. I'm the first one who will want to get it. Yeah, and hair growth spray. Here is 150 milliliters, but that's enough. It doesn't have any oil, so it will not weigh down your hair. It doesn't require washing after. Just after washing, using your mask or your conditioner, you towel dry your hair, and then you apply it to the roots of your hair, I'm actually making partings and spraying onto my partings and then massaging a bit into the scalp, the product. And what I can say, oh my god, hair growth spray, right? It really works, because actually I can say I colored the roots of my hair once in 3 weeks. It grows 1 centimeter long, but I used it for 30 days. Of course, I skipped some days when I was tired and I just forget it. When not washing my hair, I was using it as well without washing my hair. Just before going to bed, I would spray it and go to sleep. So look how long my hair is now. It's about 2 centimeters in 30 days. You can do the math, so you can understand how quick your hair can grow with this hairspray. This is the thing that I really loved the most. Even though all the products are good, guys, are very good. I'm just very picky and I love these products, but I need just more hydration. But when I saw that this stuff works, I was just impressed, because I'm so into hair growing and maintaining my hair long, because bleached hair is hard to grow and maintain. So this stuff really helps me out to grow my hair, and I'll use it till every single drop of it. So guys, these are the products. I really like them, and if you don't know, I'm using professional products, and the level of these products are really amazing. And take into account that these are natural products that I used on my bleached hair. This is just blow drying my hair without straightener or something, and I'm a wavy, frizzy hair girl. Overall impression is amazing of these products, but I need more hydration. That's everything. I would recommend Moerie products to make more leave-in products for those blondies with frizzy hair like I am. And this stuff is really amazing, and as I said, I'll use every single drop of it. But don't forget to use the discount code that I leave in info bar below when buying your favorite products from Moerie. I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, please don't forget to like it. Also, tell me please in comments down below what you think about this video and about Moerie products. Don't forget to check out my discount code that I leave in my info bar and the link as well. Leave me in comments down below what kind of videos you'd like me more to share on my YouTube channel. But that's it for today. And you know, guys, I love you so much. Bye!